Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is to install NVM, so Node Version Manager. This is the best way to install Node.js because you will have the latest version, and then later on you can update absolutely easily to new versions, or if you want to have multiple Node.js versions installed. So the first thing that we want to do is go to this GitHub. I will put the link in the description. And we go to the installing and updating, and we will use CURL to get the install script. So paste. If you don't have CURL, you can install it. You can also watch my previous videos to see how to install it. Perfect. So now that we have NVM installed, what we want to do is to restart the terminal. And if we type nvm v, we see that it responds, so that means it is installed correctly. Okay, so I have prepared the list of NVM commands so that you will use in the future as well. So the first one is nvm ls. Let's hide this window for now. So we have nvm ls. That will list the installed Node.js versions installed on your computer. Right now I don't have any. So the next command, so nvm ls remote is to list the available Node.js versions to install. So if we click, we see the list of versions, and what we want is the latest version. So what we can do is type nvm install and then version number, which is this, or you can also type latest. Perfect, so it has now installed. So let's see if it is installed. So npm v, now we see this, and then node v, we see it installed. So now we have the latest Node.js version installed, and also npm for the packages. And we can also install different versions by specifying the version number here. Then specify the version you want to use with nvm use. So now this is the perfect way to install Node.js.